I think it's beginning to move now.
The water?
Yeah.
Alright, hit it.
Slowly.
Let go. Up. Go. Up. Out. Harder. Alright, up. Up. No, it's gotta be blocked. Going down really slow. Something. You see? It's not going in easy.
What happened?
Well, usually, when you see, we got it open, but it's not going in very easy. So we're gonna put the rest of the cable in.
Yeah.
And see what we pull back.
I bet you got something on your head. You should feel back, to be honest.
We'll finish this one and we'll pull back. What if it's like a rat?
One time it was a squirrel. One time it was a squirrel.
Shut it off.
We might need to turn it on. Let's see.
Alright, reverse. Or you know what, do forward. What? Yeah. Sir?
What is it?
This is what you have. It looks like roots. Yeah, it's roots.